midnight. Wednesday, southwest winds around 5 knots. Waves around 2 feet. Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:45 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2.5 to 3.5 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1.5 to 2.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Coatesville, Oxford, Parkersburg, Cochranville, Homeville, Mount Vernon, Adwin, South Coatesville, and Modena. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.